Welcome back. So I also want to be able to, instead of writing /profile here all the time, let's add something to our actual toolbar so we can actually start getting to the profile page a bit easier. And let's also add the toolbar to the profile page since we're working on this anyway. So let's try and do both this lesson. First of all, I'm inside the top toolbar component HTML page, and here I'm just going to add a new button here, and that's going to be sending me to the profile page. Now I'm adding the button, let's just go back one page to the actual main page here. I'm going to add the button over here in this drop down. Okay, so now there's an extra button here, and I don't want the user profile name in there. I want it to say profile, not capitalized, but like this, profile. So there we go, now we can go to the profile page. And I also want here, instead I want some kind of address card maybe. Something like this. Let's see if that looks cool. Let's just remove disable as well, because we don't want this to be grayed out. If you notice the small blink here where it actually shows sign in and then shows the page correctly, we'll fix this later. But now we have this profile here we can click. When I click it, nothing happens right now. So what I want is actually also redirecting to the right page. And we have this router link up here that we can use for redirecting when we click a page. And then we just want to redirect to the profile that we just made. That's how simple it is. Yes, very easy. So I'm going to click this now and go to the profile page, and now we're at the profile page. But the toolbar is gone. So let's just add the toolbar in the same area here. This is all we had to add now for the menu item to show up. So let's go into our profile page and actually add the toolbar. Going into our user profile, and in the top here we're going to add our new toolbar component, or the old toolbar component. And here we would like to add a title where we just write user profile like this. So now, just to show we're on the profile page in the toolbar, let's just call it profile actually, like this. There we go. So now we're at the profile page just to show the toolbar, and there we go. Now we have this one available. Now the title didn't work because I kind of forgot to put this inside the single quotation marks. Remember that when you're putting in strings like I'm doing right here. Now it says profile. And of course I should probably also say CP2, just like I did in the other pages. And this could be used for actually making a breadcrumb trail later. So if you guys want to make a breadcrumb trail, this is a very easy way to do it, where on each page you'll just define what kind of links you want available in the breadcrumb. I'm not going to do that in these lessons, but you can do that later if you feel like it. So that's it. Now we actually have a path available, so we can go to the profile page now if we want to go and find that. We could also add it as a link. It's up to you. Figure it out yourself. But now at least I have an access point to the profile. Actually, while we're here, let's also add one for our users, because that's also kind of been bugging me that I can't just quickly go to the users. So let's just add another guy here, call it users, as the actual default page here, call this users, and actually say we want to go to users. Again, copy paste is your friend. Maybe it isn't, but it's actually my friend right now. So now we have an access point to users, and we have an access point to profile. Oh, what happened there? Look at this. Animations! Yeah, that will come later as well. Just a small teaser here. See you in the next lesson where we'll actually start to populate some information and add the form to the profile page. Have fun.